Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get SHEAMUS' new 2024 theme song written in my face for 2K24. This method only replaces in-game music, existing music, and generic themes. And the first thing you need to do is open this link in the description from Smack Talks and install Sound Editor by the visitor X. So you scroll down and you will see this reveal hidden contents. You click on it and you click on this link. If you don't already have it, you should also install the dependencies, and so make sure you have these installed as well, and click on the first link if you have them. It will say setup soundeditor.exe and you download it. Click on download anyway, and when you open it up it will say this. You just click on more info and run anyway. When it asks you to click yes or no, you have to click yes. It will say sound editor setup and you just click next. I accept. Click next, 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 and next again. This version of sound editor will work from WWE 2K14 up to 2K24, although 2K24 requires some special files for it to work. So when it's done, you have to uncheck this first because we have to install something, and then click finish. When it is done, you open up your start menu and right click on sound editor. If you don't see this, you can just search for it. Click on more and open file location, and right click on it again and click open file location. And now you would have to open the PWM Discord. It's also in the link in the description. And here you would have to get some files from the files in the resources. So click on files and then you will see these three files. So download all of these files. So when you have downloaded them, save them in a folder and open up your 2K24 directory from Steam. Open up the www2ogg.zip file. And if your Windows says the archive is either unknown format or damaged, go back to your browser and click on your downloads. And if it says file is not commonly downloaded, you can click on it and then allow download. Click on it and open it. You will see this folder. Now open up the sound editor directory and open up the tools and drag this from here to here. If you do not, and click on do this for all current items and continue. If you do not have this program WinRAR, you have to install it. You can get this from rarlab.com and then download and install it from here. Go back to sound editor and open up database. Open up the www_2k24.zip file and drag this from here to sound editor database. Continue and close. And then the last file, you have to open it up and drag this from here to here. Do not drag it in here. You have to drag it to the space so it doesn't insert it into the folder. So just here and replace. And when you have done that, open up Sound Editor. When it has opened up, you can click on Settings, and change the database from 2K24. If you do not see this, that means you have done something wrong, so watch the video again and click on it. And if you want, you can toggle the dark theme and click Save. Now when you have done that, open the link in the description for this mega link. We're gonna download the WEM file for the new theme song. It is made by GTS blxckheart on the PWM Discord. He's also in the bottom of the description and the credits if you want to check him out. So click on the green download button. When you have done that, open up Sound Editor. Click on File and then Open. And open up the music_6.pack in your sounds file in the 2K24 directory. When you have done that, you can go down to SHEAMUS, right click it, and import the file you just downloaded. And you can right click and play if you want, but now I'm just gonna click File and Exit and then run the game. And as you can see, it works perfectly. This is the entrance music he used the 15th of April 2024. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and watch my other videos if you want. And yeah, thanks for watching.